The love that we're talking about cannot exist when there's selfishness within the mind stream. The selfishness that arises in our mind stream comes from many, many lifetimes of habituations. In this life, when we've been used to something for many decades, it's very hard to kick the habit or change the habit. Similarly, if in this life for many decades we're used to a way, it's very difficult to change. Certainly if it's from many lifetimes, hundreds of lifetimes we're used to something, it's very difficult to change. My point is spiritual practice is very important to retrain the mind by logical, clear, and precise means, by identification, method, and application. Identification is, why do people lack love if there's love? Because two items cannot fit into one mind. Selfishness and selflessness. When we talk about love, and we want to experience love, and we want to share love, and we want to receive love, that's wonderful. But that is only a goal. The method is very important. And the method to think is this, is, why do I suffer? Why will I die? Why will I get sick? Why will I have to lose control of my body? Why do I have more negative situations happen in my life than positive situations, although I wish for positive? So in the Buddhist terms, we have many negative situations happen naturally, without any effort to get anything good. So much effort, so much work. But to bad things to come, we don't have to do anything. It just comes. What is that coming from? It's not coming from a God. It's not coming from our wish. It comes from actions we created in previous times, out of a lack of love.
No.
So when we don't love ourselves and others the correct way, we create these type of actions. And when these actions are created, my dear, they don't go away. They are stored. I'll give you a logic. If you do good things, they also don't go away. You will experience positive things. We have many positive things in our life. But positive doesn't necessarily stay positive, because the necessities to support that positive experience will run out one day.
And do you think gratitude comes into that?
Sorry?
Because gratitude,
Definitely.
I mean,
Definitely.
the attitude of being thankful and appreciating
Yes.
what you have is such a positive and uplifting.
In the 7-point meditation, it's called the 7 limbs of Tsongkhapa's Guru Yoga. Tsongkhapa's Guru Yoga, if you recite it, it takes you maybe 1 minute. If you meditate on it, it's very intense. And one of the limbs, one of the facets is to rejoice. To rejoice and to have gratitude for what you have been given, what you will get, what you have gotten, and even rejoice in the deeds of others who get good things, not just yourself.
Yeah.
Because when you have a jealous energy, or you have a non-gratuitous energy, where I deserve it, just give it to me, I don't care. It's my right. This attitude is, you give it to me, I deserve it. It's very damaging to a psyche. When you're young and beautiful and everything's fresh, yes, everything come your way, but that's only half your life. People don't realize you live young and beautiful till you're 50. After that, you still are living maybe to 100, right? It's the same thing. So if your whole life has been me, you carry that attitude, it's not going to work later. It's not going to work. So therefore, if you have gratitude, that is contemplating on the sacrifices others have made for you, directly and indirectly. And when you contemplate on the sacrifices others have made for you, directly, indirectly, a sense of gratitude arises. When that gratitude arises, we become more humble. We become more quiet, and it inspires us to say, well, I'm not going to sit here. Because somebody made an effort and I received this benefit, now it's time for me.